In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a source in Notebook LM. So let's get started. Just go to the main page. You can do that by clicking right here on the logo, Notebook LM, and just go and scroll down until you see your recent notebooks and click on Create New Notebook. Right here, you'll be able to add and upload a source like file, .txt, PDF, or just an audio. And here you will be able to connect if you need Google Drive or link it to a website in YouTube. Here you can paste the text. So to upload a source, just click it right here, and what you'll get is something like this. You'll see it is loading now, and you can select a sources, and you can add source right here if you are in new project. So that's how you upload a source in Notebook LM.